Hi there, this is Adel Parik, and I welcome you to RestroSuite. In this short video, I will show you how you can help desperate local restaurants grow online and charge a big fee for your 7-minute done-for-you marketing services. Alright, so let me show you how easy and fast it is to start your own marketing agency and servicing clients in just 7 minutes with premium features. It's an easy 3-step process. Step 1. Add a new business. To begin with, just add the name of your or your client's business, and our cutting-edge software will create a custom dashboard with a subdomain for newly added business. It will set up a complete business, including a stunning GDPR complaint website, bio links, QR code, lead generation form, autoresponders, order management system, and more on complete automation mode for your client. Step 2. Customize. Now, all you need to do is customize it to best match the business needs, modify the theme, content, or images as per your requirements. Step 3. Publish and sell. Publish the done-for-you or marketing services with few clicks and help restaurants digitalize their business. They will pay you fat check and thank you for your premium services. It does not require any installation, designing, or any techy stuff. With RestroSuite, you can create beautiful, elegant websites, book a table, share QR code and bio links, set up and build autoresponder, and start selling agency services right away. It's easy, fast, and built with love. And the good thing is, everything works under a single dashboard with zero frustration in learning. Isn't this amazing? But these are just a handful of features. We do not stop here. You can add multiple clients' business in your account in just 3 easy steps. Restaurants will be 100% ready to go digital with a beautiful website, book a table feature, QR code for menu, and complete order management system. Collect leads using lead forms and dynamic pop-ups and manage them hands-free with inbuilt CRM. Send follow-up or promo emails to your audience to make them loyal customers. You can accept payments from your clients through PayPal and Stripe with zero fees, or integrate third-party marketplace like JVZoo, ClickBank, and Warrior Plus. Use smart checkout links to directly receive payments from social media, emails, and on any page. It comes with a Business Central dashboard to manage your complete agency business in one place. Easy and intuitive to use software with step-by-step video training. And all of the above. Free agency license will allow you to serve your clients and provide high in-demand services. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spending monthly on hosting. Everything runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. So, whatever your marketing goal is for the restaurants, we have a proven solution for you. It has got everything covered. It's fast and easy, reliable, and an all-in-one platform for all your marketing needs. So, my friend, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you. And, in case you have any questions, we'll always be here for you with our attentive 24/7 customer support.